Quick release. Ooh. As you can see, it's really easy to get hooked on the sport of fly fishing. With its diversity of all the various fish that we catch, to the methods we use to catch those fish, fly fishing has something to offer everyone. Not to mention, it's a wonderful way to spend time in the great outdoors. If you're getting started, there's going to be some information that you'll need to know. So please join us as we uncover the most successful way to begin fly fishing.
Okay, I just wanted to see if there was anything in here. They're here.
Stage. The nymphal stage usually occurs for about 1 year. And then when the water temperature is right, which you can also look at this bug on his wing case, right in back of his head, the bug is fairly dark. The wing cases get dark when the bug is getting ready to hatch. So the green drakes should be hatching here probably within the next couple weeks. Let's take a moment to talk about the equipment that you're going to need to begin fly fishing. First and foremost is our rod and reel outfit and our fly line. This rod happens to be a 9-foot 5-weight.
Feeding fly downstream to these rising fish. We've got a lot now rising below us again, so we're going to put one down below.
There it is.
A lot of fun fishing these fish on this flat water. Got a little bit more weight to it. Once you get his head above water, just raise the rod tip up, strip some fly line, just bring it right into you. Good for that. Breaking off the fly.
The last knot that you're going to need to know is how to tie the fly to the tippet. There are many knots to tie our fly on. My favorite knot is called the Eugene bend knot. After the third turn, the tag end that's pointing up simply gets inserted through the loop. And I pull the tag in until the knot becomes snug and tight. Then simply take the loose end, let it go, and pull the main line so that the knot slides right up to the eye of the hook. This is a very strong knot, and it is 100% strong.
You know, fishing a fly rod on still water can be a lot of fun. The greatest excitement about this kind of water is this is where the big fish are. These fish can simply swim around, eat the food, and they don't have to fight any current, so they get big really quick. That's what makes lake fishing really exciting.